Exercise 1.19. This one is fairly simple. It's called 12 plus 1, and it should be able to plus anything, any number, if you have the formula right. So let's first try this. Oh, this one is already marked as red, so you will skip one step later. No problem, not a big deal. So we have 12 and plus 1. That's 13. And let's see, if we drag it downwards, we will find out every time we move the cell downwards, it will have the reference of the cell after the original cell. So that means we will have an illusion that the system can automatically add 1 to the list. But not really. We always refer to the same cell, that's a cell before the cell that we are in, and plus 1. So that can create this effect. So that means if we change the original number to another number, all the remaining cells should change automatically. However, you don't need to have a formula to achieve this, especially when your formula contains a number. It's likely later on you will have other problems. But if you just type in 12 and then 13, the system will find the pattern that is plus 1. Then when you drag it downwards, especially that before you drag it, you need to select both the original one and the one that could show the pattern and copy it downwards. You will have the same effect, but in this case, no function, no formula is involved. We can also try it with a different theory. Let's see here, 12 to 14, that's a difference of 2. Will the system pick up the difference of 2? Or will the system repeat 12 and 14? Let's find out. Yes, the system can still find the difference of 2 and keep adding 2 to the next cell. Let's try if it can function with a difference of, say, 78. It still does. So there are many choices that you can try, but I'll just show you a few to let you see that the difference can be seen as a pattern in Excel. Let's go back to our original example and finish this exercise. This is exercise 1.19. I will see you in the next exercise.